In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create FigJam. FigJam is Figma's collaborative whiteboard, perfect for brainstorming, mapping ideas, and running quick workshops. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be comfortable opening a fresh FigJam board, highlighting key areas, and typing in your ideas so you can start collaborating right away. First, head to your Figma home. Open Figma in your browser or the desktop app and sign in if needed. The home screen is your central dashboard where you can see recent files and anything shared with you. This is the best place to start because it keeps all your projects organized and makes it easy to jump into a new session without hunting through menus. Next, click on FigJam from the home view. You'll see FigJam alongside your regular design files. Selecting FigJam opens a new blank whiteboard tailored for quick thinking and team collaboration. If you see templates, feel free to browse them later, but a blank board is perfect for getting the basics down. Give the file a clear name at the top so you can find it later, and remember that Figma auto-saves as you work, so you won't lose progress. Once the board is open, click on the highlight tool. You'll find it in the toolbar. It looks like a marker used to emphasize content. The highlighted feature is great for drawing attention to a specific area, grouping related notes, or guiding teammates through your board. Click the tool, choose a color that stands out, then click and drag over the canvas to brush a soft highlight wherever you want emphasis. If your highlight feels too large or too subtle, adjust the size or color to match the importance of what you're about to add. Now, type anything you want. You can click the text tool in the toolbar or press T on your keyboard to start typing directly on the canvas. Click once to create a text box, then enter your ideas. Titles, bullet-free lists, or quick notes. Keep your text clear and concise so others can scan it quickly. If you need more structure, resize the text box by dragging the corners, increase the font size for headings, and use color to create a simple visual hierarchy. Align your text over the highlighted area so it's obvious what matters most, and use zoom controls to keep the board readable as it grows. That's all you need to get started. Go to Figma Home, open a FigJam board, highlight the key area, and type your content. You're ready to map ideas, share context, and collaborate with your team in real time.